Multiple designs. 8 sheets 2021 New unique design gold-silver 3D self-adhesive stickers. Patterns which include kinds of half moon, wave line, metallic chains line, star, clouds etc. Easy to DIY. Self-adhesive design, easy operation, just peel off to stick it gently your nail by tweezers. It can give extra shine to your nail as well as protect the stickers after you take a clear coat polish. Fashion and Safty. The fashion and trend nail decals stickers designed by professional designers. Nail wrap strips are made of environmentally friendly materials, non-toxic, safe to stick on the skin and nail. It make your nails look elegant and unique. Wide applications. Our 3D nail decal stickers can be applied for decorating your fingernails and toenails. Different styles can match with your different clothes, making you more attractive. Suitable for various occasions, can also be applied as tattoo, or decoration for phone covers, greeting cards, body art, photo frame, scrapbook and so on. Easy to draw others' attention. After sales guarantee. Please feel free to contact us, if you have any questions about your purchase. We will respond to you as soon as possible and 100% money back guarantee if items are damaged or with serious quality problem. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. These are pretty nice. For those who say that they rip aren't using the accompanying tool or is just being too rough. Make sure they're laying flat against the nail and seal with a top coat. I'm a beginner at doing my own nails and I had no trouble. The attached photos are what I did for Mother's Day. I'll improve with time and experience.